Let's make top view type pattern as shown in the photo. So how to create such kind of design on the top of the shank. So let's start with the shank. First we will create basic ring cow. So ring cow will start with the basic circle. So first we have to specify ring size, then double click on perspective. So this is our ring size. Its diameter is almost 16 point something. So let's check. Go to diameter dimension and through finger just check it. It's 18 mm. So it's Japan 16 number. So Japan and India size is the same. Now we have to specify our boundary. So go to top view. So it's looking down. Okay, if you are not able to find, just go to your property toolbar. Okay, so this is your property toolbar. Okay, from the layer you can change your color. So let's make it to light gray. Now suppose I am going to create any circle. This is my current layer. The right mark always specify that the objects which you are going to make will create on this layer. Okay, but right now if we are using any ready-made command, ring rail or something like gems or some ready-made tools, so they have already specified different layers. So type in 0, enter for starting from the 0 and specify your size. So suppose I want 3.5 at the bottom side and go to perspective. Now bring this circle to the quadrant. So we can use option move. We have to snap to center. So center is not highlighted. So now it's highlighted and go to quadrant. So I have just move my circle to quadrant. I think it's a very small size. So let's make little bit larger. Okay, if you want some specific dimension, keep pressing shift key and click on this icon, type in 1.25. So it will make 0.25% larger. Okay, I want another copy at some specified distance. So keep pressing Alt key, click on this arrow. So this is gumball. I want 5 mm upside. Keep pressing shift key and click on this icon. See, these two icons are scaling icon. Okay, so if we are using shift key, it will scale in both the direction. So right now I am using undo, and if I directly drag only this option, only this icon, it will scale only in single direction. So I don't want in single direction. Press shift key, click on the icon and type in 1.5. So I think this is okay. Let's make little bit more larger, 1.25. So scale should be if you want to make it larger, scale should be more than 1, and if you want to reduce, you can type in angle less than 1. So if I type in 0.25, so it will make the dimension 0.25%, only keep 25%. So see, so this way we can scale the things. Okay, so right now keep pressing shift key, click on this icon, 1.5 again. Okay, now this is okay. I now need to create some pattern. So let's use this spline cows. We will start from 0 and okay, make sure this circle is at some different distance, this circle is at some different distance, so it should not be snapped at any some particular point. So right now I will take care for that point. Okay, so this is my profile. Now let's copy it, transform, copy from this point to the center. So hover over your cursor on the boundary, it will highlight center, and same another copy at this second circle. Now I don't want this older one, delete it. Scale this second copy. I have selected the object, go to looking down, go to transform and scale it 2D scale. So type in 0, enter, select the boundary of this curve. Near around you can click near is off, you can select near and I have used 2D scale, so make sure it's 2D scale. Now this is the fine. So I have set another copy at this scale. You can also make it little bit larger. This is, I have used too much. Select 2D scale, 0, enter this point, and let's make little bit bigger. Okay, this is fine. Now let's move inside. So see, this direction is, gumball's direction is not proper. I want this direction. So click on this small circle, select the object option, and move it little bit this way. Okay, now go to perspective and make proper section. See, sometime there is diamond available inside, so we can also add diamond before creating this pattern. So it is very important, if you have to use diamond, so select the proper diamond size and set it first. Go to side view and oops, select the diamond and drag it to the top. So now looking down, we have to move our profile outside. Because we will use bevel setting if we have any pattern. So right now we have created this pattern. Okay,